Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set custom ringtones for WhatsApp calls. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. WhatsApp is one of the widely used social messaging applications used worldwide. It has over 2 billion users across countries. It enables users to connect their friends and relatives through message, voice calls, and video calls. Did you know that the Meta owned platform offered a custom notification feature, allowing you to set custom ringtone incoming calls and messages? So in this video, I will show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings. You can go to the notification here. You can scroll down. You can go to the calls. You can tap on that. Here's, you can choose where you want to add song from. For the example, maybe I will choose from my audio files because I want to custom with music that I have on my device. For the example, I will choose this one. Now you can just tap on OK. So now you have custom ringtone for your calls on your WhatsApp. It's so simple, right? So that is how to set custom ringtone calls for WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.